Wait, my titas!
Where are we going, guys?
Kirtan!
Okay guys, so I met a bunch of people a few days ago and we are heading to Kirtan. Look at this beauty. What's your name and where are you from?
Oh, I'm from the world, from the earth. I come from the seeds, but my name is Kenna. For now.
Yes, I love that.
For now.
Where are we truly from, you know?
Yeah, truly. Where are you from? Do you feel like you're from this planet?
No, definitely not. Just here on a mission, you know? Okay guys, so we are here. It was a bit of a trek up here through bumpy roads, but hola! Look where we're at right now. This is incredible. Okay guys, we are here. Wow, this is beautiful. What plant is this?
Holy basil.
Holy basil. I need
Tulsi.
some. Boost my immune system.
Yes. Ayurvedic love.
Hola! I hope you guys enjoyed that beautiful devotional music. It really put me in a really peaceful state of mind. A lot of things come up, you know, like a lot of emotions come up. People tend to cry, people tend to feel all sort of things. So yeah, it's sort of like therapy for a lot of people, this devotional music and chanting. Well, I am actually on my way, I think, to the boat. You can actually take a boat back. We took a rickshaw here. My friends stayed back. I'm a little hungry and a little blissed out. And I kind of want to get back to my island. I just got off the boat and there is an 80's party going on, so let's go check it out. I just stopped to have a late lunch at one of my favorite restaurants here in San Marcos. It's called Fe, just F-E. I am having the cashmere chicken curry and it looks absolutely delicious.
Adiós, hermosa.
Oh my God, I love this place. It's like a different world. Hola. Going on. The energy is just amazing. I love it.
Esta noche va a ser loca. Esta noche va a ser la mejor de tu vida. Dime si te quieres acostar. Dime si tú quieres que yo haga algo con tu madre. Esta noche te doy un anillo. Por eso va a ser la mejor de tu vida. La mejor de tu vida. Esta noche va a ser la mejor de tu vida. Esta noche va a ser la mejor de tu vida. Dime si tú quieres mis ojos. 1, 2, 3, 4.